Basically, we're going to compare grid systems, and then we're going to do collision check. Top wall, bottom wall, and this wall. So the logic would be here, the ball would be bouncing from top to bottom. To get the ball moving, we have to set up its variables. Basically, variables allow you to name something and assign a value. So what I'm doing is every 20 times a second, I'm increasing the position of the balls. Let us actually check what this does. This is exactly what it does. It sets the ball's position to the current position plus the speed ball every 20 times a second. And now our ball actually moves in Y coordinates. It actually moves through X coordinate, reaching that right point.